My entire family loves sweet potatoes, especially around the holidays. I also cook in addition to gardening, and I make the candied sweet potatoes, which is probably the most unhealthy dish on the table. At any rate, can you imagine my surprise about a week before Thanksgiving when I walked into Walmart and the first thing I saw was this big old display of sweet potatoes for 25 cents a pound. It was like getting an early Christmas present. This is what is left over because I overbought. Now we are less than 2 weeks away from Christmas, and I have these sweet potatoes. It's not enough for Christmas, so I'll have to get more. But when I inspected them, I saw this. And this, to me, is a gift. Now, I always tell you guys to buy sweet potatoes that are organic if you're going to plant them. I'm going to see if I can get slips off of these. Why? Well, because it's December, I'm bored and I'm curious. The real gardening for me, even though I have a winter garden, the real garden doesn't start until the spring. So why not? These are supposed to have been sprayed with growth inhibitors. Well, when I say supposed to, most of the sweet potatoes that are non-organic are sprayed with growth inhibitors. Why? Because people don't want to buy potatoes like this, and because it extends their shelf life. So, what I'm going to do as another experiment, it's probably experiment number 3 this winter, is take this bad boy. I'll put water in here. I'm going to put this in the water, set it up here in the window, and every 2 weeks I'm going to come back and check on it, and I'll give you guys updates. As for these guys, they're about to get company because I'm going to go shopping, and guess what? Yes, for Christmas, more candied sweet potatoes. But until then, just check back with me in a couple of weeks, and we'll see what happens. If we get slips off of these, then I'll use those slips to grow sweet potatoes in the coming year. This is the Frugal Gardener. Catch you guys on the next video. Have a great day.